Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add backup camera to a Porsche Cayenne, which is hybrid, and also we add our OEM fit running board for Porsche. That's how they look like, and they're fully attached to the body of the Porsche. It's a Porsche Cayenne S, and as I said, it's hybrid. That's where we put the camera. Car came with factory navigation and also factory backup sensors. So by going to reverse, as you can see, the sensors are activated too. And also it comes with dynamic parking guidelines. If you're interested to get these type of running boards and backup cameras, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and we can install them for you too. Thank you and have a great day.